Hello guys, in this video I'd like to show you 3 tricks that you can use to refresh your old strings. The first one is boiling them. It's a great method that works like a charm, guys. You need to take the strings out of your bass, and then what I'd like to do is make a small circle out of them so they will all stay together when I'm going to boil them. We do that to remove all the dirt out of them so they will be, you know, bright sound again. It looks like that. The next step, guys, is to boil some water in a small pot or whatever you have that you can boil water, and put some salt into it. We wait a few minutes and then we put our strings into the water. Okay, we make it boil for, I don't know, 5 minutes, 7 minutes, so the water will change color. We move it a few times with fork or whatever you have, so the dirt will fall off. After a few minutes the water will change color for a bit yellow, because all the dirt was boiled. Now we can take out the strings, and the next step we will do is unpack our circle and clean every string with a bit of paper or whatever you have, and do it a few times so they will be dry again. After all the procedure, you should get very nice bright sound strings, pretty much like new. So you can enjoy your fresh strings, guys. The next trick is to clean the strings with strong alcohol. But remember, guys, don't drink the alcohol, you need to clean the strings with it. So, we take a bit of paper or something like that and we put our alcohol into it and try to clean the strings very precise from every side in any position that you can have. Very precise. Put the alcohol over there and try to take out all of the dirt, all of the fat that got inside your string. After you do it with every string, you know, very precise, you should get much fresher sound than before. The last trick is to beat the strings, and I don't know how it works, guys, but you need to lower the tension of your strings very much so they are like pretty much flat. The next thing you do is to slap the shit out of them. But you know, you get to put really hard, just slap, 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 very hard, in many positions, every string. So they, you know, beat the shit out of you guys. Just like exactly. After you do the procedure, you need to tune your bass again. And then you will see that your strings sound much more fresh. I hope you enjoyed these 3 simple tricks that you can use anytime you want to make your strings sound better again. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you again soon.